Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync Inventora with your Etsy shop. When you sync your shop with Inventora, you will be able to easily manage your inventory stock levels within Inventora as new products are made. When you sync to multiple shops, such as Etsy and Shopify, you will also be able to view all of your customers in one spot in Inventora, as well as sales and reports. On the left sidebar, click on your business name and click on Settings. Scroll down and you're going to see the Integration section. So click on Connect Shop. Put the URL of your shop and click on Continue. And it's going to take you to Etsy and you have to allow the access to connect your account to Inventora. And the final step is to match your products in Inventora with your products in Etsy. So select which product of Inventora it's the one that it's going to match with your Etsy products. And we also give you the option to use the stock level of Etsy or Inventora. And click on Sync Products. Now that it's connected, you can see that we already updated your products, your sales, your customers, and also your reports. You can also go back to your settings and view all the details, and you can see that you can resync your products, you can view products, and you can also remove the connection. And this is how you sync your Etsy shop to Inventora to keep everything in just one place.